Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's David. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button because you're not gonna wanna miss any video from this series. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends. Inform them, okay, about product knowledge. I'm starting a brand new series, starting with this video that you're watching now. And hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna be doing a product review series, so hopefully y'all like this video. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so today's product that I'm gonna be reviewing is by Matrix, and it's a fairly newer product on the market. These products right here. Okay, so the products I want to just go over real quick here. So this is a fairly new product by Matrix. It's called the REBOND. This is a complete system. Need to use all of this as a system on your hair. Let's start with the REBOND number 1. This is a strength rehab system. So it'll be strengthening anyone's hair that's been damaged, maybe by lightning too much. Y'all, I know there's some of you out there. This is its shampoo for extreme repair. Like, if you don't need the repair, this probably isn't for you. So this is probably going to be more for like people who have bleached out their hair several times, which we all know I have. How do you think I got to this status? You know what I'm saying? I'll go ahead and just read the instructions here and we'll do a complete review on the product. It says the REBOND 3-step routine helps fortify weakened, overprocessed hair. Hair is left revitalized with strength, smoothness, and manageability. That's awesome, right? Obviously anyone that has blonde hair is gonna need this. So anyone that has blonde hair, you're gonna love this product. It improves every strand while maintaining hair's resilience. To use. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it in a second. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's shampoo, guys. You're gonna put it on your head wet. Apply, lather, rinse. Follow with the REBOND conditioner. Once a week, follow with both the REBOND pre-conditioner and conditioner. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them immediately. That's a little frightening. It's not meant to go in your eye. Okay. Hold up! Okay, so that's all it says to do, and this says it's good for 12 months after being opened. That's most case with a lot of shampoos and other products. Let's move on to step number 2. This specific product, it's called the pre-conditioner for extreme repair, which again, we've already read that part. To use. After the REBOND shampoo, after this one, apply the REBOND pre-conditioner once a week. Massage into hair from roots to ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. We could probably do like 7 minutes, give or take. I guess it just depends on how damaged you think your hair is. Like if you're like, my hair's fried, leave it on for 10 plus, girl. If you're like, it probably needs a little bit of repair, just do 5 minutes. Do whatever you think. Do not rinse. Layer with the REBOND conditioner. Interesting. So we're not going to rinse this out, guys. We're going to just go ahead and use step number 3 directly over step number 2. So this is in our hair after we've shampooed and rinsed, then our pre-conditioner, and then step number 3 goes over step number 2. We're not going to rinse this out. This is do not rinse. Layer with the REBOND conditioner, then rinse. Step number 3. This one is the conditioner to use after the REBOND shampoo. Apply to wet hair. Massage, rinse once a week. Layer on top of the REBOND pre-conditioner. Massage, rinse. Style hair as usual. Okay, let's give this a try, guys. You're gonna go on a journey with me. Let's go. Hey everybody, I'm on my bathroom floor. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn the water on and get it ready. I'm going to go ahead and just soak my hair, and we're going to apply step number 1. So I'm using number 1 right now. It just feels like a normal shampoo. I don't know, it just feels normal to me. Maybe it's clarifying the hair, maybe, I'm not sure. Go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, now we're using step number 2. I do believe that this is color safe because As you can tell, I do have a tone in my hair, a semi-permanent. Even if that shampoo was clarifying my hair, it's still leaving the color there, which is very impressive. So now I'm just applying a really small amount. Since my hair is shorter, there's really no point in wasting the product. And again, this pre-conditioner is like a treatment almost. It's basically like I'm putting in the good stuff that your hair needs, keratin, protein. Massaging in step number 2 into my hair. It feels really smooth, like silky smooth right now. We're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. While it's sitting, let's go ahead and read what the ingredients are in step number 2. Just the ingredients, it says here, aqua water, obviously is like in every product. We have some scientific names I can't read. Okay. Now that this treatment has sat in my hair for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and use step number 3, which is just the conditioner. And again, I'm just layering this straight over step number 2. So I did not rinse. After you've massaged step number 3 on top of step number 2, you can go ahead and rinse. I always like to let it kind of marinate or sit in my hair for like 1 to 2 minutes. I do that with most conditioner. It's okay to just go ahead and rinse straight after you've put it on top, because that's what the instructions say to do. We're gonna go ahead and rinse this out now. I can already tell you right now, my hair feels so smooth. I'm in shock. Honestly, like, this product has made my hair silky smooth. I mean, normally when I shampoo my hair, it feels super ratty and raggedy and just, it feels like it's a big tangled up mess. You know what I'm saying? Well, this product, when I shampooed, didn't feel that way. At all, really. It felt at first like just a normal shampoo, but the shampoo actually wasn't too bad on my hair. It didn't feel harsh and like it was stripping everything out. The color's obviously still there. And then when I put that treatment on, my hair was immediately like smooth. I could easily run my fingers through it. And then putting the conditioner on, I think that really just sealed in that treatment that I had put on, the pre-conditioner. It just pushed it further in the cuticle and then sealed down the cuticle using the conditioner, and I think that it's just sealed all that good stuff in my hair, which that's why my hair feels smooth. I'll get a comb and run it through so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here I have a comb and I'm starting at the root and running up, and as you can see, there is no hair on the comb. Normally, when I do that, a few hair strands will be on my comb or brush, but I mean, you could just easily see how I'm just running this through. That is impressive, guys. That's honestly impressive. I can't right now. This is awesome. Like, normally, when you have a tangled up, messy hair, you should probably start like at the ends and work your way up. But I'm using a regular comb, not a wet brush, and I am just... and no hair's coming out of my head. So, you guys, this stuff is amazing. I highly recommend purchasing this. If you don't know where to get a hold of this product, contact your local stylist and ask them to get it. They can get it from Cosmoprof. If you know a stylist or know somebody who's licensed, I recommend trying to get in to go with them to Cosmoprof, or whatever you need to do to get the product. I highly recommend paying full retail price for this item. These are going to cost around $14 to $18. It depends on where you get it. If you're not familiar with Cosmoprof and you're not licensed, so this is the non-licensed community out there, just want to tell you, Cosmoprof is for licensed people only, and I just want to clarify, like, I get a lot of these products from Cosmoprof store. I also work there, so I get a pretty good discount on getting these products, and I'm here to review them and test them out, so you don't have to. Alright guys, I'm here to give you my final thoughts on the Matrix REBOND. I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. Definitely going to give that 5 out of 5 rating here, because you guys, this product is amazing. I highly recommend it. And no, Matrix did not sponsor this video. I'm telling you, my hair feels so smooth. I mean, honestly, when my hair is wet, it feels like it could just break right off. And most blondes, they get what I'm saying, because when you lighten your hair, you're taking out all those proteins and amino acids that your hair really needs. Looks shiny, it feels healthy. Let me blow dry it really quick and we'll go from there if I still think my hair feels as good as it does wet. I'm already blown away. I will be back. Alright, I am back and I'm loving my hair. Wow. Look how shiny my hair is. I mean, first of all, and this is just freshly blow dried. I didn't put any product in my hair at all, not even to help speed the blow dry process, which normally I do that. But I just wanted to see like if it would dry any faster, and I'd say it probably dried about 15% faster. I don't know how to like guess on that exactly, but I definitely noticed a difference, okay? I'm living for this product, guys. Living. I mean, my hair just feels amazing. That's the most important thing, is like I can run my fingers easily through it. No breakage. None at all. I mean, I'm kind of pulling on my hair. If you think I should make another video, let's try to get this video to at least 100 likes. Comment down below. Let me know if I should continue with this series and make more videos on product reviews. Let me know which product I should review next. Hopefully I'm going to upload every Friday, and stay tuned for next week to see what product I'm going to review. Hopefully you all found this video kind and very informative.